About 2 years ago, I made a second video about the void system. Here is the lid for it. You need the lid, and what the lid does is it puts a vacuum seal on a carafe that Void makes, and it adapts to the Vitamix base. At that time, I had a Vitamix carafe where the grease seal on the bottom, where it connects to the base, was leaking everywhere, and I wanted a new carafe. And I had come across John Kohler talking about the void system. So I decided, John Kohler doesn't usually lead people astray. I decided to get the void system. Had initial problems with that. I think I made a video about it. The carafe is just very squat and doesn't work as good as the Vitamix one does. And I was having issue with the lid at the time. So I made 2 videos. I should have probably watched both of them before I made this video. I wasn't even going to make this video. And then I get a comment from somebody else on my channel on one of the Void videos. And it says, I truly want to write a good review for this company, but the lid just keeps failing. And I keep returning it for repairs or replacement. Finally, they are not even responding anymore to their offers to replace my latest problem. At first, the owner claimed that his product was better than everyone else's, so I trusted him because I heard that he was the grandson of the Blendtec founder. But all his claims have proven false, and now that I have arranged to send back the lid once again to receive a new one, they refuse to communicate at all. Warning, these lids break down regularly and their customer service is subpar, and the warranty is not so long because they simply do not last. And he goes on to say a couple other things. I'll put a picture or whatever of the comment. I wasn't going to make this video, but now that I see other people are having the exact same problem that I'm having, I don't know if you can see this on camera, but the inside of this is completely fogged up. It works when it wants to. For a while there, I couldn't even get it to turn on. Nowadays, I can get it to turn on, but sometimes I can't get it to turn off. I can't charge it. So once this battery's dead, it's trash. I'm just going to have to throw it out. This is the 5th one. I've had to have this replaced 5 times. I actually have an affiliate link for this company that I never used because I couldn't stand behind their products. Now, I had no idea that other people were having the exact same problem that I am. I mean, the exact problem that I am. It's ridiculous. Like figure this thing out. For a long time, they kept telling me that, like the battery life on the last one, it was terrible. And then it wouldn't recharge anyways. So then now they're at the point where they don't even respond back to me. They said that I had to pay $50. The last time I finally, it was like a week before they respond back. And they're like, you're out of warranty period. I think they waited for me to be out of warranty period, and then they responded to my email. The company is crap. If all these lids are anything like the lid that I have and the person in this comment, don't buy it. Just don't buy it. Now, I don't know what you do as far as if you want to vacuum. Maybe get the, I think Tribest. I think it's Tribest has one. I don't even know if I care about this whole vacuum thing. I didn't really notice any difference with it anyways. Maybe it's because it never functioned correctly. I don't know. This is my 5th lid. And so when they wrote back to me that I can pay $50 to have it sent back and they're going to do whatever they're going to do, that's going to last for a couple weeks and then it'll break again, I just wrote back. I said the only thing that I threw out, because you had to put a new rubber base on your Vitamix, I threw out my original rubber base to the Vitamix. So now if I actually wanted my Vitamix to operate with a Vitamix carafe and actually like a Vitamix, I have to get the base and a carafe again from Vitamix. It's been such a waste of time and effort and money and everything like that. So I want anybody who's, hopefully if you're watching this, don't buy this thing. This thing is trash. I mean, all I did was I went on vacation. I went out of town. It wasn't really vacation. I went out of town. I come back and this thing's malfunctioning. As I opened the door, this thing's like vacuuming. I'm like, why have you been vacuuming? I mean, I haven't been here for like 10 days. And this thing's just vacuuming. Just like, I'm like, what is going on? And I couldn't even get it to shut off. And then it finally shut itself off. And then it'll come on and do this weird screen like that. I don't know. Sometimes it works now, sometimes it doesn't. I followed the instructions exactly how you're supposed to use it. This is the 5th one, like I said. I would never put their affiliate link in any of my videos. I wouldn't want people buying this stuff. I wouldn't want to suggest people buy this stuff. So that is my 3rd now video on the void system, and I would avoid the void system at all costs. That is my video. Thank you for watching. Again, I wouldn't have made this video if it wasn't for somebody having the exact same experience as I have, making or putting a comment. So if you've had this experience, leave the comments down below. Maybe this company can actually figure out how to get this thing to work correctly for more than a month. I don't think I ever had this thing run correctly for more than like a month. The reason I've only had 5 of these things is because I got so tired of emailing them, because it's not like they respond back to your email right away. By the time they finally respond back to your email, you forgot that you even sent the email. And I'm like, wait, oh yeah, that lid I bought that's not working. They finally responded. Anyway, that's my video. That's my 3rd review now on the void system. And again, avoid it. Talk to you in the next one. Peace.